Okay, here we go. Ed Akehurst here. We're going to talk about Software Superstar. So, first off, what is Software Superstar and who's it for? It is a membership portal where you can go in with a learning hub and a community where you can network and some other things. We'll have live meetings. And if you're involved in the software space in any capacity, this is going to be a good group for you. Whether you're an affiliate for a software or software company, whether you're a reseller, you resell someone else's software and keep all of the money, whether you have white labeled software and you sell it, or you have a reseller program of your own, or maybe you're an actual software company, you have your own software, you've had some built for you and you're offering it to the public or to businesses, then this group is going to be for you. My name is Ed Akehurst, and I am the CEO and founder of Genius Software. We have over 10,000 customers amongst several dozen software products. Some we've built, some we've done in partnership with other people, some we've white labeled, some we've done as joint ventures. But we're out there in the software space. We're very successful with it. We have a great reseller program. We teach other people how to resell software, and we offer them licenses to our software. And I decided to build this membership site to help people either start or build or grow or scale their software business, whether you're brand new and you've never done it before, or you're experienced and are looking how to take this to the next level. This is going to be the perfect group for you. So we're going to take a minute and let me share my screen here, and we'll go take a look at what we've got. Let me get rid of this banner before I start so it's not in our way. Okay, great. So this is the main page, okay? When you first come in, Software Superstar, this is built on Sam Ovens's School platform, SKOOL. If you haven't done anything in this platform before, it's wonderful. And what we have is I'll make this a little bigger. We have a community, a classroom, a calendar, and then some other places. We're going to look at these three, all right? I'll cover the calendar first because it's the easiest to show. We've already had one live event in pre-launch, and we're going to have at least one live event over Zoom every month. And I'm going to do them on different days and different times so that no matter where you are in the world, at some point, you'll be able to attend these live without having to get up in the middle of the night, okay? And then we are recording them, and I'll show you where we store those. So let's look at the community next. This is an area where people can network with each other. We have, right now, we just have a few categories. We have a place for announcements where we go in and you can see I just make announcements when I've done updates and we have new bonuses added and things like that. We have a discussion area where you can come in and chat with the other members and ask things. Here's somebody with a niche question. Here's somebody that got a Facebook restriction, wanted to know what to do, wanted an opinion on a product. These people found each other in the group and held an accountability meeting. I'll talk about that in just a moment. Whoops. I don't know why I moved that. There we go. And then other things, people want opinions on things to do, and they have questions on different topics and some other things. So that's what the general community section is for, the general discussion. We have members introductions where you can go in and introduce yourself and get to know the other members. Accountability partners. I've had the same accountability group I've been working with for about 30 years, all right, since the 90s. So I have some pretty good suggestions, and I encourage accountability groups. They make a huge difference. We even have a section on them in the classroom. But you can go in there if you need a partner or you want to form a small group of 3 or 4 or 5 people. You can go in and find other members that would like to join you. We have a place to post your wins and a place for opportunities. And I'm sure we'll have other categories as we grow. Opportunities right now is a couple of things are in there right now. If you have something to offer another member and you'd like to solicit them, or you want to get a joint venture on a project, I have some special offers I make in there. You can post all kinds of opportunities or join them. The only thing I ask is don't steal clients or customers from another member. If that happens, you'll be out the door. And hopefully that's not you. Hopefully it's not anyone. But as long as people are kind and considerate to each other and collaborative rather than competitive, unless it's in a friendly way, then we'll be able to post all kinds of great opportunities in there. Let's look at the classroom next. Let me make that just a little bit smaller. There we go. There are different things in here. I'll walk you through what we've got now, and lots more will be added. We have an introduction section where you can get little information. Mindset and goal setting. I have a section on that. People go, oh, not that, I don't need it. Yes, you do. Unless you're really, really good in this and you've got a great mindset and you know how to set achievable goals, please go through that. I show people how to run a successful accountability group based on what I've done from my 30 years experience with having the same one run. Right now, we're only meeting once a week, but as we need it, we've met as often as once a day, 6 days a week. But we've been running nonstop for 30 years. So you can learn how to run a good group there. Software reselling, step by step. We've got different sets in there, different modules in those sets, and I'll keep adding to this so you can get a step-by-step process to get your business either started or to sustain it or to scale it. How to find a niche, how to identify a problem in that niche that your software can solve, because that's going to really help. How to get started. If you're brand new, this is a good section for you. How to get your first 10 customers and reviews, or if you're already rolling, how to get a boost of 10 customers with reviews. How to get customers on Facebook groups. Here's a really important one, customer onboarding. I share my onboarding process. Onboarding is very important for reducing churn, so those customers stay on board all the time, a long time. And this is just a good section to learn and follow our guidelines. You'll get customers using the software faster. You'll reduce customer service if that's something you handle. Not all resellers handle that. Very few affiliates, but it's good to see this. And even if you're an affiliate, you should know an onboarding process because it can still help you. I have bonuses, right? This is not what this section's for. There are bonuses. I'm not going to announce them on this video because they'll change from time to time depending when you come in. But whatever page you're on where you see this video, just look down there and see what your bonuses are. But these are unannounced bonuses and other resources that'll be available. We can even take a look in here what I've got right now. It's just 2 things so far. 2024 social media calendar, where you get something to post every day, ideas, an idea each day of what to post on social media. Got some good viral video and caption hooks and some high converting call to actions in there in different formats: color digital, color print, black and white digital, black and white print. I have a resource and I'll be adding to this all the time. Right now I've got a thing where it's constantly updated. You can go see social media image sizes. You want to post a reel on Instagram, what's the size? You need to post a horizontal, landscape portrait on Facebook, what's the size? You need a cover image for YouTube, what's the size? You can go in there and find that at your fingertips. And let's go back to the classroom. And then our masterminds. Like right now, we just have one. We did one pre-launch with a few people that I brought in, a few select people brought in to help start this off. And we'll put our masterminds that we have. And again, we're going to have at least one a month in here. And I may do some other smaller trainings, not full-blown masterminds. This one went for 2 hours. I'll go as long as you all want me to go. And, we talked about identifying problems in a niche and how to find solutions for them that your software can solve, and then how to take that info and create sales pages and landing pages and design your messaging, things like that. Totally voluntary, but I'll offer one hot seat every time we do one of these. I remember Audie Cashin came in and did one so we could look at his messaging. And one of our members who could not make it asked us to cover the 8 habits of highly successful software resellers. So we did that as well. So that's it. That is our, and there'll be other things added as time goes on. So that is our software superstar membership here. Let's go back and let me come back on camera for you. Okay, there we go. That's it. I hope you join us. I hope to get to see you on the inside. The price of this will go up as we launch. Right now, I'm making this for our launch. Be the lowest price you can get in at. And once you're in, you're locked in at that price. So even if I raise it for newer people later, you will never have it raised. So the sooner you join, the better deal you get. And when you come in, you'll have whatever bonuses are there. If there were some bonuses that were available earlier that I've taken away, obviously they're not going to be available. Whatever's on this page right now, you'll get. But if I add other bonuses for new people later, existing members will always get that. They will get that added to whatever they've gotten already as that comes up. So there are some advantages for coming in early. That's it. Thanks. Take care. And I hope to see you on the inside.